Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the essentials, a table inline on a fresh page so your task manager lives where you work. Name columns, status, due date, priority tags, these let you filter and sort. Add a template button later for recurring tasks. Once done, make sure each new record uses the template. Keep status as select so you can group. This first database becomes your system backbone. Set views and defaults now so ongoing steps are faster and consistent. Once the table exists, build views that match how you work. Today, week, backlog, and calendar, each with filters on due date and status. Then create a projects database and add a relation property so tasks link to outcomes. This enables roll-ups for progress and counts. Add a formula for urgency. Combine priority weight with days until due, so sorting surfaces what matters. Also set a default view for mobile. Make sure filters and relations sync across team members if shared. Finish by creating task templates for common work, meeting, writing, admin, each prefilled with priority, tags, and a checklist so you save time. Add reminders on due date or use an integrated calendar to get notifications. Then test. Create several tasks, link to projects, and run the Today view. If something goes wrong, first check filters and group settings. Often tasks appear missing because status or due date is empty. If that fails, duplicate the view and rebuild filters, step by step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.